Namaskar, you are watching Techne Sports News. I'm your host Adya Shri Jain, and in next few minutes we will bring you the biggest and most interesting news from the world of sports. From cricket to tennis and football, we have every major update. So let's begin with today's 10 big sports headlines. The Board of Control for Cricket in India will host its annual award ceremony in Delhi on March 15. Star batter Shubman Gill will receive the Cricketer of the Year award. Former head coach Rahul Dravid and former women's team captain Mithali Raj will be honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award. Under 19 World Cup winning captain Ayush Matre will receive the Lala Amarnath Award. Germany's tennis star Alexander Zverev delivered a strong performance at Indian Wells. He defeated Fils in the quarter-final to reach the semi-final. With this, Zverev has become the fifth player to reach 9 Masters 1000 semi-finals, joining legends like Federer, Nadal, Djokovic and Murray. A major decision came during the player auction for the 100 League. Indian franchise Sunrisers Leeds bought Pakistani spinner Abrar Ahmed. Franchise owner Kavya Maran placed a bid of 2 crore 34 lakh rupees for him. Abrar will now be seen playing in the upcoming season of the 100. Former US President Donald Trump commented on Iran's football team. Trump said that it might be better if Iranian team does not come to the United States. However, he also added that the USA is ready to welcome them. Earlier, an Iranian minister had said that playing in the FIFA World Cup could be difficult. Ahead of the IPL season, Rishabh Pant is making changes to his batting. He is training with former Indian all-rounder Yuvraj Singh to improve his power hitting. Pant has also changed his batting stance. In the last IPL season, he scored only 269 runs. The BCCI has issued new guidelines regarding IPL practice sessions. Under the new rules, teams will no longer be allowed to share nets with each other. Additionally, each team will be permitted to play 2 practice matches. The aim is to ensure better preparation and maintain strategic secrecy. A complaint has been filed against Indian all-rounder Hardik Pandya. He is accused of insulting the Indian flag by lying on the ground while wearing the tricolour during World Cup celebrations. The issue has also sparked debate on social media. An investigation into complaint has been demanded. A fast bowler from the West Indies has been suspended following match-fixing allegations. The ICC has taken strict action in the matter. Along with the player, 2 officials from the Titans franchise have also been suspended. Reports suggest the case is related to the 2023-24 season. Former Australian opener Matthew Hayden has joined Gujarat Titans. He has been appointed as the team's new batting coach. Hayden will work with the team for the IPL 2026 season. Reports also suggest that Matthew Wade might be left out of the squad. Indian team's star spinner Kuldeep Yadav is set to tie the knot soon. He will marry Vanshika Singh Chadda on 14th March. The 3-day wedding celebrations have begun at the historic ITC Savoy Hotel in Mussoorie. After the Mehndi ceremony, Haldi and Sangeet events will be held today. So these were today's major sports headlines. For every latest update from the world of sports, stay connected with Techne Sports News. Namaskar.